Ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No pro skill required, in just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into eye-catching videos, all from your phone or your computer. Let me show you how to do it. So, hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. So in today's video, I will show you step by step how to make a YouTube Shorts with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So the first step that you have to do is just signing up and you start your inscription. But before that, let's just know what is Canva firstly, because it's important to know what is Canva and how you can create a short videos on Canva. So Canva is a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create a catchy, professional-looking videos in minutes, right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. So the first step that you have to do is just signing up. Let's just come back to the top and you'll find here the button of sign up and log in. You have just to click over it. I don't have it here because I already signed up and this is my account. I have just to click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. Alright, so after you click over home and after your inscription, you'll find this page as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over here and you search for YouTube Shorts. So let's just type into short videos. YouTube will have it here. Let's just click over it and you'll find a various templates here as you can see. So you have just to click over scroll and here we have it. Alright, here we have the templates. You can just select the one you want or the one you think is better. So if you scroll down, we'll find here various templates and the various things with the pro one and the free one. You can just select the one you want. Here we have 20,000 templates as you can see. So you have just to click over all filters and you select the filter that you want. For example, the template that I think I will design, which is dependent or related to the business, and also we have here social media, education, video. So here we have it. So let's just search in. For example, we have here video message, video mobile videos, video colleges, YouTube videos. I will select this one as you can see. Then if I scroll down, we'll find here also the format. As you can see, I will select this one. Then I will just scroll down and do a search for something else. If it's dependent on marketing or related to print products, card invitations, then we have here the format, as I said, the style, the language, the theme, the feature, grade, subject as well, the topic. Then we have here the price, if it's free, or I will select also here the color, which is white. Then I will click over apply and I will find the template that is select. Alright, so let's just choose one template that I think it's better for me and the one I think I will just work with it. So for example, let's just scroll down and let's search for some templates. As you can see, here we have in the top left 1303 templates, and here we have it. As you can see, let's just right now select one of these templates. For example, I will select here, for example, YouTube. Here we have here other things, so let's just select in someone. So for example, I will select this one and I will just click over customize this template and you will find either page, which is this one, and this is the page when we will or where we will design it. Alright, so let's just wait. Here we have the video shorts that we have, as you can see. Let's just waiting for. Here we have like and subscribe to let me know. As you can see, here we have it, 15 seconds, as you can see. And right now let's just get started and designing this template. Alright, firstly you have just to modify it. If you want to just select another template, you click over here and you select the template here that you think it's better than this one if you don't like the first one. Also, we have here the option of elements. You can just search for short videos. For example, short videos, shorts. YouTube. I will add YouTube here. YouTube. All right. Here we have it. As you can see. Then you select what you think is better. I will just go to the videos like that. They will select someone better than this one. Alright, so let's just search for someone, and I will select, for example, this one or this one. As you can see, I will just modify the size. I will firstly delete this one. I will click over here and I will delete it. I will delete all these things. Just click over delete. As you can see. Alright, I chose this one, for example, and I will modify the size. As you can see. Alright, I put it like that, and also I will just go here and I will just put it like that. Here we have it. As you can see, if you click over here, we have it, the short video that I choose. We have 10 seconds here, as you can see, and you have just to modify it right now if you want to add, for example, text or something like that. But firstly, I will just here go to design. If I will select something, or for example about the short videos, if I don't like this one, I will just go here and upload the short video that I want. I will just click on video. I will upload files here like that, and you upload from your computer, as you can see. Alright, so also here we have something else, which is elements. I will just search, for example, about, here we have logos YouTube, because I will just work with YouTube, logos YouTube, right? YouTube like that, and I will search about it. So let's just go to the graphics, and I will select one graphics. Alright, so here we have the graphics. Let's just search for it. Let's scroll down and I will select one. For example, I will select this one. Modify the size. Let's just make it like that, and I will put it in the top. I will also add a text. For example, I will just add a little bit of body text, and I will put it here. As you can see, put here this one and also this one, and modify the size, which is 12, for example, or something better. For example, that was clear, and I will select, for example, like this one, and I will just write, for example, my channel, for example, something like that, and I will click over here, and I will modify also the color. And here we have it. You can add whatever you want, if you want logos, text, or something like that. Then also from draw and other things like application, product, QR code as well. And then you have just to click over here to see your shows how it looks. Alright, then you have just to close. If you want to add also here the option of recording yourself, you click over record yourself until you start recording yourself as well. Right, also you click over share here and you share whatever you want, which is YouTube short, and you have just to share it, and then you get started with this one. Right, so this is how it works with Canva and how you can create a short videos YouTube on Canva. And this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.